In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix restricted Gmail scopes in Make.com with a comprehensive step-by-step guide. If you're dealing with issues in Make.com when trying to set up connections to Gmail, especially encountering restricted scopes, don't worry, we'll go through a straightforward process to resolve this. Our aim here is to ensure that you can seamlessly integrate Gmail into your workflows without any hitches. First, you'll need to navigate to Make.com. Once you're there, the initial step is to delete the old Gmail connection that you previously set up. This is important because sometimes outdated connections might not function well due to altered permissions or updated security protocols. By removing this, you clear the pathway for setting up a new and potentially more reliable connection. Next, we'll add a new Gmail connection using the official Gmail app or module. It's vital to use the official option because it tends to be most reliable and keeps up with the latest security updates and functionalities provided by Google. So go ahead and find the place to add connections within Make.com and select Gmail. At this point, when prompted, you'll need to log in with your Gmail account. This part is crucial. Carefully review the permissions that are being requested. It's best to grant only the required scopes. These are typically the permissions that Make.com needs to interact with your Gmail account effectively. You'll see options like reading emails, sending emails, or accessing parts of your Google Drive if necessary for your tasks. Be mindful of what permissions are being asked, and feel free to decline anything that isn't essential to your Make.com operations. Now, here's the good news. Make.com is already a Google verified app. This means that restricted scopes, those permissions or parts of Gmail that are typically more protected or harder to access, should work smoothly without the need for additional setups. This verification often streamlines access and reduces the amount of troubleshooting you have to do because Google trusts Make.com to handle your data securely and properly. And that's it. You've now set up a new Gmail connection in Make.com, which should alleviate those pesky restricted scope issues. This straightforward process helps ensure secure and seamless integration so your workflows can continue without interruption. As you follow these instructions, remember that changes in how permissions work are often responses to broader security updates from platforms like Google aimed at protecting your data. So even if it seems tedious, these steps are about keeping your information safe while allowing you to leverage the full power of automation tools like Make.com.